Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Proton VPN to iOS using secure DNS step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Proton VPN app from the App Store on your iOS device. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the setup process. If you already have a Proton account, tap on Login. Enter your email and password, then tap on Login again. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface of the app. Next, go to the Settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon. In the settings, look for the DNS option, which allows you to configure DNS settings. Tap on DNS and then select Custom DNS. Here, you'll need to enter the DNS servers for Proton VPN. Proton VPN typically recommends using their secure DNS servers. Enter the primary DNS address provided by Proton. You can also enter a secondary DNS for added redundancy. After entering the DNS addresses, save your changes. Now, return to the main screen of the app. Select a VPN server location that suits your needs. Tap the Connect button to activate the VPN connection. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message along with a VPN icon in your status bar. Your iOS device is now connected to Proton VPN with secure DNS enabled. You can test your DNS leak protection by visiting a DNS leak test website in your browser. This ensures your DNS queries are routed securely through Proton's DNS servers. You're now ready to browse privately and securely on your iOS device using Proton VPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.